Let me explain something that doesn't get talked about enough in roofing. This isn't about legitimate manufacturers competing. This is about contractors who all of a sudden decide that they're a manufacturer. You've probably seen it. A contracting company starts private labeling materials. They slap their logo on it, they build a slick website, they start talking about our new proprietary roof system. But when you peel it back, they don't own the factory, they don't own the ratings, they don't own the testing, and they don't have a real manufacturing track record. They're just a contractor acting like a manufacturer. So here's how it usually works. They control the information. They only show you what they want you to see. They reference testing, but it's somebody else's testing. They reference fire ratings, but it's somebody else's listing. They avoid open distribution channels, avoid public purchasing frameworks, and they avoid independent verification. Everything runs through them. Why? Because once you start verifying independently, their story gets thin. And here's the hook. They're just a little bit cheaper. Not dramatically cheaper, but just enough to win. So on paper, it looks like same roof, same warranty, better price. But is it really the same roof? If they don't own the ratings, they don't own the approvals, and they don't participate in cooperative purchasing programs like GSA or state contracts, and they don't have long-standing national distribution relationships, then what you're buying isn't equivalent accountability. What you're buying is margin with less transparency. Real manufacturers are easy to verify. You can find their listings in public databases, you can confirm their plant locations, you can see decades of installs, you can trace material through major distributors, and they don't compartmentalize information because they don't need to. Contractors that all of a sudden turn manufacturers rely on appearance, but credibility shows up in verification and documentation. If you're a building owner, consultant, or procurement official, this matters because when claims happen, and they eventually will, the question becomes who really stands behind your roof? The contractor, the private label, the entity with limited assets, or a proven manufacturer with real infrastructure and real depth. If the company acting as a manufacturer disappears, restructures, or simply denies responsibility through warranty exclusions, the risk shifts back to you, and saving a few cents per square foot doesn't look so smart anymore. This is not about attacking the competition. This is about recognizing the difference between a contractor selling materials under their own label and a true manufacturer with infrastructure, ratings, and accountability. Before you obligate funds, verify independently. Who makes it, who owns the ratings, who backs the warranty, and who stands behind it in 5, 10, or 20 years from now. Because in roofing, anyone can design a logo, but not anyone can stand behind a roof system.